Solve this exponential equation for x. Now x minus 4 to the power 4 minus 4 to the power 4 is equal to 0. Transform 4 to the power 4 into left side. Now x minus 4 square to the power square 4 square to the power square is equal to 0. This equation apply a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. X minus 4 square plus 4 square and x minus 4 square minus 4 square is equal to 0. This may be written as x minus 4 square plus 4 square is equal to 0, number 1 equation, and x minus 4 square minus 4 square is equal to 0, number 2 equation. From equation 2 we can write x minus 4 square minus 4 square is equal to 0. Now this part maybe apply a minus b whole square. Formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. X square minus 8x plus 16 4 square becomes minus 16 is equal to 0. 16 cancel. X square minus 8x is equal to 0. Now here common x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Now x minus 8 is equal to 0. That is becomes x is equal to 8. Now from equation 2, from equation 1, x square x minus 4 whole square plus 4 square is equal to 0. A minus b whole square x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. X square minus 8x plus 32 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and compared with standard quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 32. Now find discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 32. 8 whole square, that is 64, that is minus 64, that is less than 0. Now we can written here D is less than 0. It has not real root. It has not real root. That is, solution of the equation is x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 8. This is answer.